Hello friends, welcome back to my another video on my YouTube channel TKF Electronics. I hope you all are doing fine. And we friends, thank you very much viewers for your best comments and supports that you are giving to me. So let's start now. So friends, today I have received this parcel for repair. I think there is something inside, some electronic equipment for repair. uh, this is came from, I just want to show you. See, this is came from Kerala to TKF Electronics. So guys, sorry for hiding the privacy of the customer. So let's unbox this one and check what's is inside. Okay, very nice packing. So keep this aside. So we'll open this. Okay, so this is Sony IV300. Okay guys, so keep this aside. So now we'll check what's the issue in this. Okay guys, just keep watching my video. Guys, I have already connected to my Bluetooth. So so I have already connected the power and on my Bluetooth is working. So we'll check on volume 26. So we'll check the output. So we'll check the speaker. See, there is no audio. There is no audio. See guys, no audio is coming. See, no audio, but our system is working. See, it is working and it's volume 6. So but there is no audio. As I check, no audio is coming, but my speaker is also good. See, there is no audio. I'll just show you that my speaker connection is good. See, I'll just check my speaker. I'll just show you. I kept on the buzzer range. See my speaker. See, it is at 8 ohms. So my speaker is good. See, there is no audio. So but I'm getting the voltage over here. I'll just check the voltages with ground. See, so we need to check what happened. Voltage is coming 27 volt. See, on all pin 27 volt is coming. So what we will do, we'll just dismantle this one now. So we'll dismantle it out now. See. So this is the one now. We'll check step by step. So friends, before applying power, we'll check some ohms test, because if there's any shorting is there, so we need to check it out. We need to be confirmed from our side there should not be any shorting in the amplifier board. So what we will do first, we'll check some steam IC pins. Are they okay or not? Is there any shorting, something like that? So first what we will do, we'll just connect with body. This is my common ground. So we'll check some critical points. So I'll keep on the diode range. So this is supply pin plus steam IC, pin number 9. So it is 0.324. This is good. So next 10 also good. 11, see 11 10 11, 11 is showing some abnormal ohms on Steam IC. This is 11, so I will keep this on the buzzer range. It should not, so that it's very easy for you guys to understand. This is pin number 11. See, it is showing 94. It should not supposed to show this much. So now we'll move forward critical point on pin 20, 21, 22. So no, 22 is okay. 22, 23, 23, 24. See, 24 also showing some shorting. See, so what we will do, see, I must not get this much. It should not show. See, on pin number 25, 24 and 23, 22 is okay. So I should not get some this type of abnormal ohms. So we need to first confirm what exactly is the problem with the IC. Or so what we will do, we'll just disconnect this. We'll just disconnect the strip. We'll disconnect amplifier board to the main digital board, motherboard. Then again we will check it out. So now we'll take it out, this one. Okay, so check the connectors. Here all connectors are okay this side. So now we have already disconnected. Even this is only power supply to the high voltage power supply. No need to disconnect this one. So because through this only we are getting some shorting in the Steam IC. So now we'll check any shorting. Before it was showing some on pin number 24, 25. See, now it is not showing. That was the ground, which is the buzzer range. This is the ground common. See, 25. Okay, 25. See, now I will put on the diode range. Now we see. So 25, 24. Okay. And this pin also okay. 9, 11, 10, and pin number 15. 15 also good. 15, 16, 17. This is 17. Okay. So, but there is no shorting now. Before it was showing our shorting in pin number 25. This is pin number 25. Now no shorting, nothing. So now what, guys, what we will do, we'll just remove this strip and we'll check. Oh my god, see, somebody tried to. So this is the one. So you can see the strip connect. See, guys, see, because of this it was showing shorting in Steam IC. Okay, now this side is okay. This side is perfect. This is the amplifier side, and this is going to the motherboard side. So this was shorted. See, maybe somebody tried to remove it out and try to fix it back, but he didn't notice. This is because these pins are very sensitive, very sensitive. If you, one time remove means finish. It's of no use. So be very careful while removing this ribbon, flat ribbon. This is flexible. Okay, guys. So we need to replace this flexible flat ribbon with the new one. Okay, so I'll just check in my stock new is available or not. Where is the new one? See, I got the new one with me. So now we'll replace this one. This is the new one. See, perfect. So now we'll replace this. So I have already bent it little. So now we'll fix this one. So be very careful, very careful. gone. Perfect. So now we'll check, friends. So now we'll check any shorting is there or not inside. Before it was showing some shorting. This is the ground almost. This is the normal ground. So pin number 25, this is, see, now it is not showing. So I think our IC is safe because the supply pin is not shorted. If supply pin is shorted, then IC would have gone. Okay guys, so okay, safe, 25 safe, 24 safe. It is safe now. See, we'll check on the diode range. Okay, 25, 24, and this is 20, and this is critical points I'm checking. This is plus supply, and this is pin number 28 also good, pin number 11 also good, pin number 9 also good. Now no more shorting. So because of that flat cable, flexible, it might have shorted that one, this cable, ribbon flat cable. Because of this there was a shorting and the sound audio signal is muted to this cable only, that's why. Anyhow, now we will do, so now we can apply the power. Okay guys, so keep this aside. So now we'll come to know exactly what is the problem. So I will apply the power. It's on. Hello, come. I put it on again. See, Bluetooth. It's on the Bluetooth. So now I will connect to the Bluetooth. Then we'll check the output. So I will connect the Bluetooth. See, it is on now. So I will connect to my Bluetooth now. See guys, I have already connected to my mobile Bluetooth. It's working now. So now we'll check the audio output. Okay guys. So guys, now we'll check. We'll connect this. This is front right. So guys, because of this strip badly damaged, so we replace this one with the new one. So sometimes this can also be possible. Not every time IC is gone, stream IC is gone, or motherboard is gone. This also can be possible. Okay guys, thank you very much for watching my video. Take care. See you very soon next video. Bye.